You're watching a Wheels TV Top 200 test drive on the 2008 Acura MDX. The MDX is the larger of the Acura SUV offerings that also include the 5-passenger RDX. And while the two may share a strong family resemblance, the 7-passenger MDX with a base sticker price about $7,000 more is decidedly the big brother of the duo. The second-generation MDX strikes an avant-garde pose as relatively smooth, flat body panels are punctuated by pronounced design elements, such as the bulging fender flares and uniquely upswept front-end treatment. Both ends of the vehicle feature large molded plastic bumper inserts. The high liftgate spoiler carries the roofline to its logical conclusion. There's one powertrain available, a 300-horsepower 3.7-liter V6 that produces 275 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 5-speed sequential automatic transmission that routes the power to Acura's all-wheel drive system. The EPA estimates fuel usage for the midsize SUV at 17 city and 22 highway. Large 4-wheel ABS disc brakes with brake assist and electronic brake force distribution provide the stopping power for the MDX, which tips the scales at just over 4,500 pounds and has a towing capacity of an even 5,000 pounds. The MDX combines functionality and luxury with a leather-trimmed interior that includes 3-row seating, the front two which recline, and the third that folds flat to provide up to 83.5 cubic feet of cargo space that can be accessed from the self-closing power liftgate. Our test MDX came with the technology and entertainment optional packages that include a premium multi-speaker CD radio MP3 player and rear seat fold-down DVD player, as well as the GPS-linked navigation system and hands-free wireless phone interface. State-of-the-art airbags include dual-stage front and side impact, as well as side curtain airbags with rollover sensor. The MDX carries a 4-year 50,000-mile warranty and a base price of $40,195. If you're in the market for a contemporary-looking SUV with versatility and a definite upscale presentation, you may well want to check out the Acura MDX.